Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach. Now, we use a lot of words very frequently. Like every day, thousands of times we use the same word and we repeat it again and again. But when we are learning to speak English, when we are learning to be fluent and confident in speaking in English or to sound more like a native speaker, we have to take care of these things. These things matters a lot, guys. So what I'm trying to say here is, instead of repeatedly using those simple words like big, small, happy, easy, fine, let's find out some new alternatives or some advanced vocabulary to talk about the same thing or to speak the same word with an advanced form. So here in this session, guys, I'm going to take up simple sentences. I'm going to specifically describe those simple words and sentences, and I'm going to tell you how you can make new sentences with a better word, or you can replace that word with an advanced form to sound more fluent and confident and to sound like a native English speaker. So these are the tricks which a native English speaker uses. When I go out and when I speak to people, I don't repeatedly say I'm so happy, I'm very happy, or this is a very happy news. I use different words to express the same thing. So instead of happy, I use many words which has the same meaning, like which has synonyms and which expresses the same feeling, the same thought, same thing, but it sounds much better, right? I'll give you an example here to make my point more clear. Suppose I'm talking to somebody about some news. And I started saying, today I've heard a very happy news. This news is related to my promotion and I'm so happy about it. It's a very happy moment for me. And today I'm going to go to office very happily. See, so many times I repeated the same word, happy, 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 happily. Does this sound good? No, it sounds very boring. Right? Now, instead of this, if I would have said it in another way, which I'm going to tell you, and then you have to tell me which one is more interesting or which one sounds more interesting or good. Let me know in the comment section. So here I go. I'm very delighted to hear the news of my promotion. I'm feeling over the moon after hearing this news. I'm feeling elated to go to office today. So this is how we refine our sentences. We use different vocabularies instead of the same boring one and repeatedly using the same word again and again. So we can use different words to express the same feeling, but in a much better way. Okay, so this is what I'm going to talk today. So guys, if this interests you, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section. And do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. Now let's begin. So I'm going to take up 10 words and I'm going to tell you advanced form of these words, what else you can use instead of these boring simple words to make your sentences more interesting and more like a native speaker. So let's begin. So one thing we always say is good. This is very good. That is very good. I am good at it. Good. Good job. So we use good a lot, many times. So instead of good, what else we can use? So instead of good, we can use excellent, outstanding, great, right? Unbelievable. So depending on what kind of sentence we are using and what we are talking about, we can replace this word good. So for example, if we want to say something like, this is so good, so we can say excellent. That's it. Don't have to add anything else. My neighbor's 10th result is very good. My neighbor's 10th result is outstanding. Right? This is a very good news. This is a great news. See how much difference it makes. It changes everything, guys. These are very simple, basic words you can just take care of. Remember its synonyms. Just remember 2-3 more words similar words and use it in your sentences every day. This will be your speaking practice also. This will be your grammar practice also. And in this way, you will be able to speak more and more words and collect more and more vocabulary. Right? Next, bad. It's a bad news. Or this is so bad. This material is so bad. We say this, right? I'm in a bad mood today. So let's replace this word with some interesting words like dreadful, terrible. So we say terrible news. I have a very terrible news, right? Or this material is so terrible. So this is how we replace this word bad. Next is angry. My manager was angry with the team. My parents were very angry with the result. Or I'm very angry today. Or this kid is very angry. Okay, instead of angry, we can use furious, irritated, bad mood. Right? I'm in a bad mood today. Or I'm very irritated. Or this child is very furious. Which means very angry, extremely angry. Right? So we can talk about it in this way. Next, beautiful. We always say she's so beautiful, or this dress is so beautiful, or this jewelry is so beautiful, this park is so beautiful, this flower is so beautiful. Right? We use this word very often. So instead of using beautiful, we can say gorgeous, exquisite, gorgeous, exquisite. She's so gorgeous. She's so pretty. This dress is exquisite, or this piece of jewelry is exquisite, which means very beautiful or worthy, right? So this is how we can change these simple words into an advanced form to sound more fluent and confident in speaking in English. Another word is smart. Smart kid, smart move, right? He's playing very smart. We talk about in this way. So instead of using smart repeatedly, we can use intelligent, brilliant. This child is brilliant, right? This was an intelligent move. Or he's playing the game brilliantly. Or he played the game brilliantly. So this is how we change the whole sentence by using these words. And these words are not very difficult at all, guys. It is very simple. You have to look at alternatives. When you're using one word every single day, look for some synonyms also for the same words. With that simple word, you can look for some synonyms and then start using in your own sentences. You don't have to memorize every word, every synonym. 2 to 3 words you can pick up and start using it in your own sentences. Important. This is also a very common word which we use every time. Important. This meeting was very important, or this class is going to be very important. I have a very important work to do. So instead of important, what else we can use? Significant, crucial, right? The meeting is going to be crucial. The weekend class is very crucial. Or I have to make significant changes to make the thing work, right? So I have to make some significant changes to make the thing work, right? Next. Easy. This is so easy. I can easily do this. So instead of easy, what else we can use? Effortless. Straightforward. This is an effortless task. This is a very easy task. This task is going to be effortless, or this is an effortless task. This is very straightforward. I'm going to do it quickly. Yeah. So these are the ways you can express the same feeling and talk about it without using the word easy multiple times. One time you can use, but the other time when you want to use it, you have to replace with a synonym. This is the art of speaking or a better communicating better, basically, right? Which native speakers use. Next, fast. He's driving so fast. His car is moving very fast. I have to walk fast. So instead of fast, we can use rapid, swift. This car is moving swiftly. I have to walk rapidly to reach on time. Next, help. Instead of using help every single time, what else we can use? Facilitate. assist. I want to help you. I want to assist you in this project. I want to facilitate this project with you. Right? Do you need help? Do you need any assistance? Right? So these are the words which you can replace these common general words to sound more fluent and confident in speaking in English, or to improve on your English speaking skills. Guys, you have to take these efforts. You have to collect these vocabularies. So the best and the simple and the easiest way is to look for synonyms of common general used words. Memorize 2-3 words, use it repeatedly in your sentences, and try to use it in your practical life every single day when you're talking about something, when you're looking at your home and you're speaking about it. Try to use different words to express the same idea, and you're going to crack it and you're going to master it for sure. So guys, basically you have to take care of all these small things. If you take care of these small things, definitely you're going to be fluent and confident in speaking in English, and you will definitely sound like a native English speaker. So these are small tricks which you have to apply every day. Use different words to express your feelings. So that is why I always tell you that try to talk about anything in 2-3 different ways. This will help you to change your thought process. You have to figure out what now I can include, right? Words, sentences, and your ideas also. So it will help you to be more creative, thoughtful, and fluent at the same time. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.